Good day, student. Now we are going to the mineral processing subject, unit 2 and section 5. Course outcome: the types of crusher and its operational methods for 5th sem mining students. Student, now we are going to go through in the types of territory crusher. This is fourth type of crusher, territory crusher. In the types, we have Gyra disc crusher, gravity stamp mills, tube mills or rod mills, and finally ball mills. We will see one by one. Gyra disc cone crusher are the best machine for making sand when you need to economically process the rock, ore and non-metal or extraction of metallic ores. Now we will come to the stamp mill. It is a type of mill machine that crushes material by pounding rather than grinding, either for further processing or for extraction of metallic ore. A stamp mill consists of a set of heavy steel stamps held vertically in a frame in which the stamp can slide up and down. They are lifted by cams on a horizontal rotary shaft. As the cam moves from under the stamp falls into the ore below the crushing of the rock, and lifted process is repeated at the next pass of cam. Each one frame and stamps set is sometimes called a battery. The stamps are raised successfully around 12 centimeter to 18 centimeter with the help of cams. Now we can see the picture of stamp mill. This is known as Halley's stream stamp. Now the stamp rock from the mine, we will supply in this direction and we will get the output discharge in this direction. The height of this machine is 37 feet. Capacity TPH per day, it is 300 tons per day. Size of discharge is 3 by 16 inches. Very small. This is equivalent to fine size. Weight it is 8,000 pounds. Energy of blow is 30,000 feet pounds. Water use is 160 gallons per minute. The ball mill, next we will go to the ball mill or rod mill, one are the same. First we will go to the picture, then we will come to the process. See, this is the cross section of rod mill, this is the cross section of ball mill. The cross section of rod mill, when material feed into this direction, this B is the material discharge. Same manner in ball mill also. Here one means this is a rods which put it in the chamber. Instead of rods, here balls put it in the chamber. The outsource mechanism is this will rotate. The mills will rotate in the clockwise direction. Ultimately, the rods collides one to each other and make the material finer and finer. Same manner, balls also it will react with collide with the material and become a fine particle. Now we will see the ball mill process. Ball mill is a type of grinding used to grind end blend material for use in minerals dressing process. Size reduction is done by impact as the balls from near the top of the shell. A ball mill consists of hollow cylinder shell rotating about its axis. The axis shell may be either horizontal. The grinding media is the balls which may be made of shells, chrome shells, steel. The inner surface of the cylinder shell is usually lined with a abrasion resistance material such as manganese steel. So by that the automatically the material get crushed. The length of the mill is approximately equal to the dia of the shell. Now we will go to the hammer mill. This hammer mill, it is for special purposes, crushing for special purposes. The hammer mill is a mill whose purpose to shed to or crush aggregate material into a smaller pieces by repeated blowing of the little hammers. This machine have many sort of application in many industries. The rotation ratio of the hammer mill is very high, 20:1 to 50:1, and suitable for the both primary and secondary crushing of the soft to medium material. Ore like coal, limestone, bauxite, it is not used for hard material, abrasive ores or rock which will cause heavy amount of wear and tear in the mechanical part, will result several breakdowns. The capacity of the hammer mill depends upon the size, physical and chemical character of the hammers and the size of the product. Now you can see the diagram of the hammer mill. This is hammer, this is a discharged point, this is a feedable, this one feed area. Now student, now we came to the end of the unit 2 session 5. Now we having some questions regarding this session. First, what are the types of territory crusher? Define stamp mill, define ball mill or rod mill. Explain special case crushing like hammer mill. Now we came to the conclusion. Thank you, student. Now we will see in next session. Thank you. Now we ended with the unit 2.